Welcome to Finance Friday. I am John Katz, the Vice President of Marketing here at Build. Today I've got a pretty good topic for you. It is project-based financing. What is that? So, how do lenders think traditionally about the underwriting process and how much credit to actually extend to your business? Well, historically, banks will look at your historical financials, right? They're going to look at your business. What have you done in revenue? What does your profitability look like? What does your cash flow look like? How much additional debt do you have on your books? What do you owe to what's in your accounts payable? What's in your accounts receivable? They're going to look at your financials and they're going to look at your industry and determine, hey, here's the right number or amount of capital that we're going to extend you. There's a lot of problems with that though, because as you're growing your business, you're going to need more credit options than you had yesterday. Because if you're going from 2 million to 4 million or 5 million to 10 million, your expenses are going to be much, much higher. Your project costs are going to be much, much higher. So, what exactly is project based financing? Great question. Project based financing ultimately looks at the project itself to determine the credit limit and the lending, the money that is lent on that project is specific to that project. So it's not like a traditional bank that gives you a $250,000 line of credit and you can go use it on anything you want. That $250,000 may not be enough for what you need. So project-based financing will underwrite the actual project and say, hey, this project, I think you really do need, a $600,000 line of credit. That $250,000 that you got from your bank just isn't going to be enough for you to successfully take on that work. And so project-based financing isn't going to look at your historical revenues and your historical financials. They're going to look forward to the projects that you currently have and make sure that you can take on that project successfully with the capital that you need. So if you're ever thinking about trying to grow your business, I highly recommend looking into project-based financing. If you're taking on bigger projects, you're working with GCs that are on larger projects, project-based financing could certainly be the way to go. Thanks again for joining Finance Friday. We'll see you next week.